Hello! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the alarms option and tap on it. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the new alarm button. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. You can set the hour, minutes, and then AM and PM. And once you're done, tap on the hour to set it, like this. And once you set the hour, the alarm will appear right here on the alarm list. You can edit it even further by tapping on the alarm right here, and we can turn it on, off. We can edit the time on which it should go off. You can scroll down and enable the option to smart wake or disable it. You can scroll even more down and select on which days the alarm should repeat, and you can select every day. If you select this option, it will repeat every day. And also you can select specific days, for example Mondays and Wednesdays. And once you select Mondays and Wednesdays, it's gonna only go off on Mondays and Wednesdays. Okay, and once you're done adjusting your alarm, you can swipe right on the screen. And here we have it. You can also have multiple alarms, like that. And you can also remove the alarms. So you can tap on the alarm, scroll down and tap on remove to remove it. And here you can enable or disable the alarm by tapping on this clock icon. Okay, let me remove this one also. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.